In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to log out of your Trading 212 account. Whether you're done trading for the day or just want to ensure your account's security, logging out is a straightforward process, and I'm here to guide you through it step by step. First, you'll want to make sure that you're logged into your Trading 212 account. This is your starting point, so if you're not already in your account, go ahead and sign in. Once you've logged in, you should find yourself on the main dashboard. From here, direct your attention to the top left corner of the screen. That's where you'll find the three horizontal lines commonly referred to as the hamburger icon. This little icon is your gateway to the app's menu and various options it has to offer. Go ahead and click on this hamburger icon. It's often the first step to navigating through the various features within the app. Clicking it will unveil a menu with several options. Now navigate through these options until you see the logout option. It's usually listed towards the bottom, but depending on updates to the app's design, its position might slightly vary. Once you spot the logout button, take a moment to simply click on it. This will initiate the logout process. Your session will close, ensuring that your account is secure until you're ready to log back in. A quick tip to remember, it's always a good habit to log out of your accounts, especially if you're using a shared or public device, to protect your personal and financial information from unauthorized access. Now, a few extra reminders. Logging out is not the same as just exiting the app or closing your browser. Simply closing an app doesn't necessarily mean you're logged out, especially if the app runs in the background or stores session information. Always follow the steps to officially log out to secure your account information. Furthermore, if at any point you're unsure whether you've logged out properly, you can try opening the app again or logging in from another device to see if access is granted without needing to re-enter your credentials. And there you have it. You've now successfully logged out of your Trading 212 account. This short and simple routine is a small yet essential part of managing your online security. Remember, no matter how fast-paced the world of trading is, taking the time to ensure that your account is safely secured when not in use should always be a priority. Thank you for watching, and if you have any more questions about Trading 212 or other finance apps, feel free to reach out. See you in the next video.